Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to quickly unbox this Carplay AI box. This is the Carlinkit V3. So we got this one out. This will work on the factory stereo head unit on the Toyota 4RUNNER and the Toyota RAV4. So, but it works on any vehicle basically that has a CarPlay. So let's check this out. So with this, so it has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, so it has the mirroring, and I don't know what that is. And yeah, so it has 4G, you can put a SIM card on there. I think this is LTE also. It has GPS, built-in GPS on it, so you can do a map. And it has several apps. And yeah, so it has a full Android system on the box itself, so it has its own operating system. So which is good. So it's like having an actual Android head unit with your factory stereo. All right. So yeah, so it has LTE in here, so you can put a SIM card, separate SIM card on it, or just connect it to your phone with your mobile hotspot, and you'll able to play, download, watch Netflix basically. So let's check what's in the box here. Very small kit, I like it. And I'll be demonstrating this one out on the 4RUNNER, because on my RAV4 I already have like a Dasaita head unit in there, which is awesome. So if you want a dedicated Android head unit replacing your OEM stereo, you can get the Dasaita. I'll put the link in the description below. So we have a user guide in here. Yep, so it says here that you can put micro SD and nano SIM card. So this is a small box. This will definitely fit in here, which is awesome. So you're just gonna plug this one on your USB cable, basically the USB data cable that where you connect your phone for the wired CarPlay. So it has the USB Type C and the USB A. And it also has a USB-C to USB-C, and basically that's it. So let's plug this. This will be a very quick install. That's it, just plug it in. We're gonna plug it to the USB, and we're just gonna rest it there. We're gonna put the car into accessory. It's starting right now. So we're gonna wait. It will connect. So on this one, there's some lights going on right now here. There you go. There you go. It's blinking green. I don't know what that means. Probably we're gonna check the manual on that, what the blinking green means. Okay, so I don't know what that blinking green means, but yeah, it is connected. Basically, it looks like an Apple CarPlay interface. So let's see what we have. So it has an Android Play Store, has YouTube Music, it has YouTube, has a Spotify. Let's check YouTube. I will connect this one out to my mobile hotspot. So I'm turning on my mobile hotspot. Let's go to settings, Wi-Fi, and then let's connect. And go to Forge Garage. Password on this, I think it is subscribe. There you go. So we're connected to the internet. Let's go back to YouTube. I'm gonna go to my channel. Yeah, so we have our channel in here. Let's play it. Yeah, that's awesome. So while on a trip, my kid is sitting in the middle. She can watch YouTube. Awesome. So it's basically having a Android head unit basically. You can watch Netflix also on this one. So yeah, so that works. So how do we get back? There we go. So I like the interface. So it stays in there. So if you're in an exit, it goes here. Picture-in-picture mode. Let's stop this. Close. Yeah, so you have access to Play Store. If you want to sideload some apps, you can do that APK installer in there. I don't know what this AutoKit is. Okay, so that one. Oh, this is for the wireless CarPlay. So I'll turn off my mobile hotspot and let's see if we can connect for wireless CarPlay. So for wireless CarPlay, go to your CarPlay. Yeah, so we're searching for the CarPlay on our phone right now. Let's see how will this connect. There you go, it found it. On the list it says here AutoKit T-Box. I know it's not in focus. And just pair it. Sure, allow. And let's see if it will. There you go, it's connecting. I know a lot of you guys want wireless CarPlay. Well, in this case, basically, I can charge it at the same time since it's gonna be wireless. Yeah, so this is awesome. So we got the CarPlay in here. Huh, I like it. So now, next thing we're gonna check. We're gonna check the system on this one. What's the actual? So if you put a SIM card, this can work as your own hotspot instead of using the phone. You can have your own internet in here and basically a hotspot to share the internet. So Bluetooth. So this one has basically 64 gigabytes, but it has basically with the software inside and whatever software they have loaded up apps, it already took 13 gigabytes in there, which is okay. I'm not really gonna save up much in here. So X7, no phone number of course, but yeah, so basically it's an Android head unit. It's awesome. So yeah, but for the picture quality though, it's not as good as the Dasaita. The Dasaita, of course, with the display, it's better with the resolution. Let's see. Okay, so we also have maps in here, and yep. So you don't need an external GPS for this one because the GPS is built into it. So that's awesome. And then what else do we have here? Basically it's like a phone really. But again, it's nice to have it because I've been using the Dasaita head unit. It's been awesome. And also on the YouTube videos though, you can change the quality of the video on this one to make it defaulted to the highest quality. basically to have a better picture. As you can see, it's fast. So let's just play this. Just gonna turn off the volume. Let's skip this. All right. So for the quality, I already like set this higher quality. There you go. So advanced, you can go 1080. It's gonna show a better picture quality though, but of course it's not gonna be real 1080 because these screens are not 1080p for sure. But yeah, so but compare it to 720 or 480, this is way better. So I'll show you if I change the quality on this one to a specific like 360p. You'll see the quality will be poorer. There you go. So I don't know if the camera can see that, but the quality actually basically it's not clear. It's more pixelated right now, but if we change it back to the 1080, it should be a lot better. So one thing you can do to make it default to the higher quality you want, even 720, is go to your setting, video quality preference, just click this one and then adjust to the higher quality picture. All right, so just click on that one and it should load up a good quality video resolution. But again, if you're not really watching while driving, that's fine. Me, I use YouTube just to play music instead of using Spotify. So yeah, so that's one thing though. So let me close this. Yeah, this is just a quick overview of this thing. So again guys, this is a good app. I like it. So again, you have Netflix. If you're in a long drive, Netflix, YouTube, those are gonna be awesome. If you want to load up some movies on your SD card, you can put movies on your SD card, put it in here and play movies on your head unit. All right, and the good thing about that, if you put it on drive, it will not stop playing the music or the videos. It will continue playing the videos while on drive. You don't need to do any bypass stuff or anything like that. But again, everything is set up in here. I like it. If you want to purchase this product, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, this is the Carlinkit V3. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.